Here's how to add another savings account on Capitec app in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide so you can create a new savings account quickly and keep your money organized without any confusion. Start by opening the Capitec app on your phone and logging into your account. Once you're inside, go to your main dashboard where you can see your current balances. Look for the section that shows your savings or flexible accounts. This is where you manage and create additional savings options. The first step is selecting the option to add or open a new savings account. This is usually found under your existing savings account or in a menu related to managing your money. Once you tap it, the app will guide you to create a new account. The second step is choosing the type of savings account you want. Capitec often allows you to open multiple savings plans, which can help you separate money for different goals like emergencies, bills, or personal spending. Select the option that fits how you plan to use the account. The third step is naming your new savings account. This makes it easier to recognize later, especially if you plan to create more than one. For example, you can name it based on your goal so you know what exactly it's for. After that, confirm your details and complete the setup. The account is usually created instantly and you'll see it appear alongside your other accounts on the main screen. Once your new savings account is ready, you can start using it right away. You can move money into it, track your balance, and manage it directly from the app. Transferring funds between your accounts is simple and can be done in just a few taps. If you ever need to manage or adjust your savings account, you can return to the same section in the app and make changes as needed. This gives you full control over how you organize your money. By following these steps, you can add another savings account on the Capitec app quickly and keep your finances more organized. With just a few taps, you can separate your money, track your goals, and manage everything in one place.